Okay, so bago ang lahat, shout out kay
Joanna Yagyagan, Richard Antonio, at kay Romantica Gampang.
sa mga gustong magpa-shoutout, so mag-comment lang kayo dito sa video na ito. Okay, so continuation pa rin ito ng ating series about estimate na masonry works. So ituturo ko sa inyo dito kung paano mag-compute ng area at lineal meter ng plastering or palitada. Ang gawin natin, ihiwalay natin ang area ng interior wall sa exterior wall. Question? Engineer, bakit kailangan natin ihiwalay ang area ng interior wall sa exterior wall? Di ba parehas lang naman ang material na gagamitin natin pagdating sa pagpapalitada? Okay, so ganito kasi yan. Kaya natin ito paghihiwalayin ay dahil yung area na makocompute natin dito ay magagamit natin sa pag-compute naman ng quantity ng pintura. Sa pagpipintura, magkaiba ang price at klase ng pintura ang para sa interior at exterior wall. In short, mas mapapabilis natin ang pag-estimate kung ihihiwalay natin ang area ng interior wall sa exterior wall. Speaking of pintura, ibabawas din natin dito yung mga area na gagamitan ng wall tiles, bricks, at iba pa. Okay, so unahin na natin ang exterior wall. So, ganito yung technique ko sa pag-compute ng area ng wall na papalitadahan natin. So, area, that is equal to perimeter multiplied by height. At ibabawas din natin dito yung area ng mga opening ng bintana at pintuan. Okay, so ang una natin gawin, alamin muna natin yung mga wall na magkakapareho ang height. So, perimeter, that is equal to 8 plus 7 plus 3.875 plus 3 plus 4.125 plus 10. And that is equal to 36 meters. So, meron tayong perimeter na 36 meters. At yung height natin, that is equal to 3.27 meters. So, area 1, that is equal to 36 multiplied by 3.27. And that is equal to 117.72 square meters. So, meron din tayong area 2. So, perimeter, that is equal to 3 plus 3.875. And that is equal to 6.875 meters. So, ang height naman yan ay 0.15 lamang or 6 inches. So, area 2, that is equal to 6.875 meters multiplied by 0.15. And that is equal to 1.03 square meter. Para sa wall naman na nasa roof beam, so area 3, that is equal to 1/2 base times height. So, 0.5 multiplied by 1.5 na height nito, multiplied by 4.25. And that is equal to 3.19 square meters. Area 4, that is equal to 1/2 base times height ulit. So, 0.5 multiplied by 0.925 multiplied by 3.75. And that is equal to 1.73 square meter. So, area 5, that is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 10. And that is equal to 15 square meters. So, yung area 6 natin, since combination naman ito ng area 3 and area 4, so i-add na lang natin yung dalawa. At yun na yung magiging area 6 natin. Okay, so area 6, that is equal to 3.19 plus 1.73. And that is equal to 4.92 square meters. So, in total, meron tayong A1 plus area 2 plus area 3 plus area 4 plus area 5 plus area 6. And that is equal to 143.59 square meters. Computin naman natin yung area ng mga opening ng bintana at pintuan na nasa perimeter wall. Base sa plano, meron tayong window 1 na 4 na piraso, isang pirasong window 2, isang pirasong window 3, isang pirasong window 4, isang pirasong na D1 or main entrance door natin, at yung service door natin, isa din. So, let's start with 4 sets na window 1. So, ang dimension ng window 1 natin ay 1.65 meter by 1.2 meter. So, area, that is equal to 1.65 multiplied by 1.2 multiply by 4 sets, and that is equal to 7.92 square meters. And the rest, ito yung result. Total, that is equal to 17.01 square meters. So, area to be plastered, that is equal to 143.59. Ibawas natin yung area ng mga opening ng bintana at pintuan. So, minus 17.01, that is equal to 126.58 square meters. So, next, interior wall. So, kung ano yung area na na-compute natin sa exterior wall, i-add lang natin itong area ng mga partition wall. So, ang magiging area 1 natin para sa interior wall ay 125.55 square meters. So, question, hindi ba dapat 126.58 square meter ang magiging area 1 natin sa interior wall? Okay, so hindi. Kasi ang common area ng exterior wall sa interior wall natin ay itong wall lamang na ito. So, hindi kasama itong wall na ito. So, question number 2, hindi ba natin ibabawas yung area ng wall na nakapatong sa roof beam since matatakpan naman ito ng kisame? So, pwede naman kung medyo nagtitipid ka. Pero for the sake of estimate at sa mga tao na gusto na may palitada pa rin kahit natatakpan ito ng kisame, so isasama pa rin natin. Okay, so na-identify na natin yung area 1 natin para sa interior wall, which is 125.55 square meters. So, ito naman yung computed area ng mga interior wall. At ito naman yung computed area ng mga opening ng pintuan na nasa interior wall. So, yung total area, so 268.45 minus 4.83, and that is equal to 263.62 square meters. So, in summary, meron tayong exterior wall na 126.58 square meters at interior wall na 263.62 square meters. Okay, so hindi pa dyan nagtatapos kasi kailangan din natin computein yung area na nasa corner ng bintana at pintuan. Okay, so ito yung mga detalye ng ating bintana at pintuan. So ito yung mga sukat na makikita natin sa schedule of doors and windows sa plano. Okay, so sample na natin itong window 1 and door 1. So area, that is equal to perimeter multiplied by thickness ng wall. So, lineal meter ng window 1, that is equal to 1.65 plus 1.2 plus 1.65 plus 1.2. And mumultiply natin din ito sa 4 kasi 4 na window 1. So, times 4, that is equal to 22.8 meters. So, yung thickness, since 6 inches or 0.15 meter, yung ginamit nating kapal ng CHB, so, 0.15 plus thickness ng palitada. So, let's say 20 millimeters kabilaan. So, 0.15 plus 0.02 plus 0.02. And that is equal to 0.19 meter. So, area, that is equal to 22.8 meters na perimeter. Multiply natin sa thickness, that is equal to 0.19. And that is equal to 4.33 square meters. Para naman sa D1 or main entrance door natin, so length that is equal to 2.1 plus 0.9 plus 2.1. And that is equal to 5.1 meters. So yung thickness naman nito, that is equal to 0.19 meter. So area, that is equal to 5.1 multiplied by 0.19 and that is equal to 0.97 square meter. So, the rest, ito yung result. So, in total, meron tayong 11.15 square meters. Para naman sa pag-compute ng quantity ng sand and cement na magagamit natin para sa plastering, magkakaroon tayo dito ng part 2. Okay, so sa mga karagdagang katanungan, mag-iwan lang kayo ng comment sa video na ito at ating sasagutin yan sa susunod nating upload.